Hello, sa lesson natin ngayon, pag-aaralan natin ang triangle congruence. We will prove that the two triangles are congruent based on two-column proofs. Our learning competency will prove two triangles are congruent. In this, we are going to prove that two triangles are congruent. And we all know from our previous lesson that two triangles will only be congruent if and only if all pairs of corresponding angles and corresponding sides of one triangle are congruent, respectively to all corresponding angles and corresponding sides of the other triangles. So ngayon, meron tayong mga i-apply na postulates para ma-prove natin yung dalawang triangles ay congruent. The definitions, postulates, and theorems that can be used in proving triangles congruent are shown in the next slide. Yung una ay yung vertical angles theorem. If two angles are vertical angles, then they are congruent. So yung vertical angles, dalawang line na dinivide sa apat yung angles. Yung opposite ng angle 1, which is angle 3, ay equal. Yun ay vertical angles theorem. At yung opposite ng angle 2, which is angle 4, is also equal. So yung vertical angles are congruent. Reflexive property of triangle congruence. Yun naman, kapag pinag-uusapan natin na isang triangle, sabihin, yung triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABC. Kapag symmetric property, dalawang triangle na yon, triangle ABC is congruent on triangle EFG, then we can also say that triangle EFG is congruent to triangle ABC. Kapag transitive property of triangle congruence, tatlong triangle pinag-usapan natin. If triangle ABC is congruent on triangle EFG, yung EFG is congruent to triangle JKL, so we can say that triangle ABC is congruent on triangle JKL. Median of a triangle. A median of a triangle is a segment with endpoints being a vertex of a triangle and the midpoint of the opposite side. Sabihin, yung median, yun yung naghahati sa dalawang triangle. At inahati niya yung isang line segment na AB into equal parts. Line segment AD is congruent on line segment PD. CD yung tinatawag na median. Equilateral triangle. Ito naman kapag tatlong angle, say angle A, angle B, angle C, is congruent to each other. We can also say that their sides, AC, CB, AB, anuman ay congruent din. Line segment bisector, yun naman ay naghahati sa isang line segment into two equal parts. So ngayon, titingnan natin yung ASA, SSS, and SAS postulates in proving two congruent triangles. We can say that ASA means angle, side, angle. SSS means side, side, side. And SAS means side, angle, side, congruence postulate. Yung ASA, dalawang angle nung isang triangle at yung angle nung kabilang triangle at yung included side ay equal. Kung naman sa SSS, tatlong side ng one triangle at tatlong side ng kabilang triangle ay equal. At yung SAS, two sides and one included angle of one triangle and two sides of another triangle, and the included angle of that triangle is also congruent to each other. So we can say that the two triangles are congruent. So dito may given. Triangle ABC and triangle XYZ are right triangles. Angle C is congruent on angle Z. Side BC is congruent on side YZ. Kapag nagagawa tayo ng statements, may reason. So, si reason, sa una, lalagyan natin ng given. Triangle ABC and triangle XYZ are right triangles. So, siya ay given. Angle C is congruent on angle Z. Given pa rin siya. Line segment BC is congruent on line segment YZ. Given rin siya. So, dito, kung mapapansin nyo, ito at ito ay side. Diba? Tapos, angle C at angle Z ay angle. Kung mapapansin nyo, itong angle B at angle Y forms right angles. So, pwede natin sabihin na angle B and angle Y are right angles. So, sa reason, ito yung definition of right triangle, wherein one angle of that triangle measures 90 degrees. So, we can also say that if they are right angles, they are equal. So, angle B is congruent on angle Y. So, ito yun, right angles are congruent. So, may nakita tayo ngayong angle, included side, and angle. Pero sa kabila, angle, included side, and angle. So, we can conclude So, yung tatlong bilog na to, ibig sabihin nun, we conclude that triangle ABC is congruent on triangle XYZ by angle side angle. Number 2, line segment OR and line segment PM bisect each other at P. Sabihin, pinahati ni P yung OR and PM. OR and PM. So, OR and PM bisect each other at P. OR and PM bisect each other at P. Yun ay given. Dahil yun nakalagay sa taas. So, makikita nyo, si OP at si RP ay equal. And then, MP and TP ay also equal. OP and RP, since bisect at P, sabihin equal silang dalawa. And then, MP tsaka TP is also equal kasi nga si P ang nagbabisect sa dalawang lines na ito. Diba? So, ito ay definition of bisector. So, we can say that angle MPO and angle TPR ay opposite angles. Diba? So, sila ay vertical angles. Pag sabi vertical angles, equal sila. Intersecting segments from vertical angles. Kaya lalagyan natin sa number 4 na angle MPO and angle TPR are congruent. Dahil nga sila ay vertical angles which are congruent. So kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong OP, angle OPM, and then line segment PM. Ganon din sa kabila. Kaya we conclude that triangle OPM and triangle RPT is congruent by side angle side congruence postulate. Number 3, triangle JUG is an equilateral and UN is one of its medians. So, ilalagay natin muna yon sa given. Number 1, JUG is equilateral and UN is one of its medians. And then, we can say that JU and then GU definition of equilateral triangle. Kasi sa equilateral triangle, dalawang legs ay equal. So, dito, JU and GU is congruent. Definition of equilateral triangle. So, we can also say that JN is congruent on GN based on the median of triangle. Ito yung definition natin kanina ng median na hinahati niyo yung isang line segment na divide yung median sa dalawa equally. You can also say UN is equal to UN by reflexive property of equality. Dahil kapag pareha silang equal, reflexive property yon, we can also say that UN is congruent on UN. Segments with equal lengths are congruent. So, kung mapapansin nyo, tatlong side, isang triangle is congruent on the tatlong side ng kabilang triangle, we can conclude that triangle JUN is congruent on triangle GUN by SSS. Proceed na tayo sa engagement. Complete the two-column group. Given, AC bisects angle A and angle C. So, sa AC daw, hinahati niya si angle A and angle C into two equal parts. So, lalagay natin itong given sa number 1. AC bisects angle A and angle C. So, we can have angle ACB is congruent on angle ACD. Anong tawag doon? Dahil binisect, definition of angle bisector. So, number 3, dahil equal yon, automatic, equal din ito. BAC is congruent to angle CAD. Yun ay definition of bisector din. Sa reflexive property naman, number 4, AC is equal to AC. Diba? And then number 5, dahil equal sila, line segment AC is congruent on line segment AC. Segments with equal lengths are congruent. Diba? We have angle, side angle, so ASA congruence postulate. Number 2, we have line segment MT and line segment SH bisect each other at E. line segment MS is congruent on line segment HT. So, ilalagay natin yun sa given. Ito muna. MT and SH bisect each other at E, given. MS is congruent on HT, given din. So, kung papansin nyo, ME is congruent on HE. Yun ay definition of line segment bisector. And then, sa number 4, we will have SE tsaka TE. Definition of bisector din. Ito ay ST is equal to ST. Ayan. MH is equal to MH. So, dalawa. ST is equal to ST and MH is equal to MH. Reflexive property of equality. Number 6, since reflexive sila, equal din sila. SE is congruent on TE dahil sila ay segments with equal lengths. SE and TE. ME and HE are congruent. So, we can conclude that MSE is congruent on triangle HTE by side, side, side. SSS congruence, postulate 3. Given, triangle JUG is an equilateral and UN is one of its medians. Hindi lang nakita dito yung N, pero N tong gitna. So, number 1, given. So, ito yon. Triangle JUG is an equilateral and UN is one of its medians. So, number 2, definition of equilateral triangle. Kung malalaman nyo, JU is congruent on GU. Kasi nga, equilateral. Yung dalawang legs nila ay congruent. Kaya, sila yon, diba? JN is congruent on GN. JN is congruent on GN. So, itong UN ay definition of median. Kasi yung median ay dinidivide niya yung isang line segment into 2 equal parts. Number 4, since UN ay median at yun ang common sa kanila, UN is equal to UN, reflexive property of equality, and we can say that UN is congruent to UN because segments with equal lengths are congruent. So we conclude that triangle JUN is congruent on triangle GUN, so side, side, side din naman kinuha natin, by SSS. Ito yung ating reference.